Decorgraff supports remote teaching and learning at home as much as we can by using easy-to-install magnetic whiteboard. This is Sophia, and just like millions of people and teachers these days, she's working from home and doing classes online. Before you watch the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Hi everyone, our next lesson is about shapes. Shapes. I will give you...
As you can see, she's using an old way of teaching online and the space is very limited and using a paper which is not environmentally friendly, until she discovered Decorgraff's magnetic solution. This video includes another way for teachers that is very useful for supporting education or teaching in home environment. First is whiteboard wall covering. Whiteboard wall covering is easy to install magnetic whiteboard. It can cover small to large surface area. You can use dry erase markers and easy to erase. You can also stick magnetic accessories to make teaching more fun and exciting for your students.
Star! Very good! Can you guess what shape is this? Very good! Rectangle! Can you guess what shape is this? Here! Very good!
Number 2 is Quickboard. This Quickboard uses air suction technology that won't damage your wall or any surface when you removed it. It's fully removable and can be applied to different surfaces. After removing the Quickboard on the table or any surface where you put it, you can directly apply it on your wall and start creating your lesson plan for the whole week. And at the same time, you can remove it and stick to any glass surface at your home and you'll have your instant whiteboard. Quickboard is available in rolls and portable kit for small and large surface application. It can turn any smooth and flat surface into a magnetic whiteboard. Just peel, stick, and dry it.
Okay, so let's start with the letter A. A for alligator. Alligator.
You can also use MediaMag printable magnetic sheet to support learning activities or print letters, shapes, numbers, and more. For anyone who's looking to create a workstation at home, this is what you need. No holes, no damage, and no professional needed. Whiteboard wall covering and Quickboard. For more information, visit our website at www.decorgraff.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.